All right, it's day one of National Griddle Week, and Blackstone has got some great giveaways this week for National Griddle Week. And today's giveaway is Better Fuel, which means that they're giving away a free year of propane, in addition to a limited edition griddle bundle that includes a 2-burner griddle and these limited edition black spatulas. And so I don't know if you can see those, but they're completely blacked out spatulas. They're really sharp looking. You can only get these spatulas through this bundle. So if you want to enter, make sure that you follow both Blackstone and Blue Rhino, who they've partnered with for the propane, and then find the post on Instagram and or Facebook. You need to like that post, and then you also need to tag 3 friends in the comments. So, and that's it. So you could win every day. There's going to be a giveaway every day. It's the same process. You just need to follow Blackstone and the partner that they have for the day. You need to like the post for the day, and you need to tag 3 friends in the post for the day. You can do that on Instagram, you can do that on Facebook, you can do that on all the platforms that it's available on. So again, today's giveaway, make sure you go do it. Doesn't hurt to enter, right? And you can get that free propane for a year from Blue Rhino. You can get the limited edition 2-burner griddle that's exclusively through National Griddle Week through this offer. And it comes with these limited edition blacked out spatulas, which are super sharp looking. Okay, so good luck to everybody who enters, and I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's update.